what you say? That you only meant well, well, 'cause you did, what you say? That it's all for the best, 'cause it is, what you say? That it's just what we need, and you decided this, what you say? What did she say?
Look at that. Oh, totally.
Oh, I didn't watch
That was completely gross. Nothing happened.
It wasn't cooked on the inside.
Wow. Still filming. Look at that egg juice. Look at that. Oh. What a mess you made.
It wasn't cooked on the inside?
You totally just blew out a chicken abortion. How does that make you feel?
That was
Sad.
Yeah. Could have done a better job blowing it.
Because Joe's an expert at that.
Okay.
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Whoops.
Nuts keep falling out your mouth. Big sweet talk newspaper